wanted to do a quick recap of my weekend because I didn't really chat while I was away. I went to a ladies retreat in Pennsylvania and it was really, really good. Had a great time. The theme of the week was anchored. So this is just what it looked like. And the speaker went through what does it mean to be anchored, and she used Hebrew 6. The next session was where do I fix my gaze, which was session 2, which was in Psalm 27. And then session 3 was how do I stay anchored to Jesus, Philippians 3:17 to 4:13. And I just had a great time. Went with my family. It was nice. We had a great time. We did a lot of things. The campsite was beautiful. We went zip lining, decorated some cookies, did a lot of things. So we had a good time. And yeah, so that is what you guys just saw. And then I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has been giving suggestions and just giving their opinions on my last video. I mentioned how I wanted to switch some things up, how I how I got a new job. So I really appreciate you guys with that and just the patience you guys give me. And just like your guys' input on videos you guys would like to see, whether you guys would like some of these other things. So I've just been trying to fix up my schedule and getting adjusted to my new schedule. I am trying to get back into the swing of things, and then hopefully everything will just become habit after that, because it's been a couple weeks. So yeah, we'll get back to the stuff. I did want to do a closet declutter and just go through my clothes because I have too much, and we would definitely need to get rid of some things I'm not wearing. And I figured we can have a little mini modesty chat. I know a few of you guys said you guys would be interested in that, and I do plan on doing that, but I want that to be more of a sit down, like we're opening the Bible and seeing what the Bible actually says, seeing it from a biblical perspective, because modesty is not just our clothing, it is our conduct, it is our heart, it is more than just clothes. So but I figured I would chat a little bit while I go through my clothes, because I need to do that, desperately need to do that, and I figured I'd do that with you guys, and then we would just continue on with our normal stuff, our morning quiet time videos. I might incorporate more book videos again. A lot of you guys have been missing that, and I did want to do another a dedicated faith reading vlog, so I'll probably do that too. But yeah, just working on getting life back together. I feel like my life is always going to be a mess. I am not a type A person, so it's always a little chaotic over here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just a little recap of what my week was like, and I will see you guys in my next video.